Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Origin of Lowbrow. This kit was available through Iceman Collections. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we have here. This is the original artwork on the front. The inspiration for this build or this model kit. 3D printed. I've already looked at the pieces. Really nice. So, have a little bit of box art on the side, and have a signed print on the inside here. So let's go ahead and get that out. Very nice looking, just like the box art, and signed. And I forget exactly how it was. It was the first 20 or the first 80 would get the signed print or the signed kit as well on that. Everything was really well packaged. Delicate parts. The 3D printing is just amazing to me. And we'll go into that in more detail here in just a second. Get some of this stuff out of the way. All right, here's Iceman's card. Got a sticker in with it and some directions and prep work on the back of the card. Here's the stone wheels. The detail looks great. It looks like a piece of stone with some nice dry brushing. It should really come to life well. This should be the front wheel. Looking really good. It has some locating pins on both wheels. I guess you can't call them tires, both pieces of stone. This is super delicate, the canopy with the iron cross or the Maltese cross, I guess, however you want to look at it. Fire service, we call it a Maltese cross, but looks good on the back. The 3D printing of the canopy is so thin. It's great. Has a little tiny hole in it, but I love it. It looks like it's from the Stone Age. Set that upside down. Got to be real careful. And here's a top frame still on its, I guess it's sprue from the 3D printing. So I guess if you want to cover the frame with your own fabric or fabric type material, you can have that option. Set that to the side. Let's see. All right, let's take a look at Wilma. I know a couple people said something in the comments of the last video. She looks very delicate. The detail's amazing on it. Let's see if I can get it to focus in. Wilma looks really nice. Even her high heels are there. That's some nice detail. Let's see if we can get a look at that. The little fabric on the edge of her boots. Don't want to break those heels, so I'll put her face down. And it's got two hands to go on the kit. Again, I know I've said this a couple times. I'm just amazed by the detail that you can get with a 3D printer. you know, hats off to Iceman for putting together a kit like this. I'll leave those in the bag so I don't misplace them. Let's get a look at Fred here. Try to take everything out gently. I don't want to shake it out of the bag. And there's just so much fine detail, even on Fred. Let's see, his glasses. So delicate looking. Let's see if I can get it to focus in here. Looking good. I have to be very careful with those. All right, Fred's body. I love the way the fabric comes to life at the end of the tattered cut. He's got his cigar there. Get it in focus. Not a huge fan of the cigar, but hey, it fits the character well. His hair, I could probably use some of that. Yeah. His arms are looking good. Steering wheel, no airbag. You hit that in an accident, you're going to be doing some damage. Has a locating pin on the stone seat for Fred. The chassis frame members. And I guess this is the exhaust pipe. Even though it's yabba dabba doo powered, yeah, with his feet, but still great addition. I guess that's what that is. Yeah, there's his yabba dabba doo power, his feet. Well, I'm really excited with what I see here in this kit. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Again, we'll take a look at that artwork as we go ahead and wrap up this video. So I want to thank all my viewers. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing. And we'll see you on the next build update. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. Have a safe and blessed day. Take care. God bless each and every one of you.